So I've often said I don't like this car, and somebody said, well, you might like it if you drive it a bit more. So we're in the BMW. I managed to qualify 4th at Okayama. I'm not sure how. They're just feels so odd how babyish you have to be with them. You have to really be so gentle everywhere.
Left side.
Particularly with cold tyres.
Still there, hold your line.
I've got someone on my left.
Clear on the left.
Problem behind by the looks of it.
There's an incident behind.
Just so easy to lose the rear end. I was changing up very early in qualifying, which seemed to help. Obviously it's a bit of a pain in the race.
Dickhead. Car right.
And I was going around these bends in 3rd.
Clear.
Now, just driving my own lines, I was okay. Like I say, I qualified 4th. Racing with people, not so sure it's going to go well. Obviously, the red mist will come down and I'll try a bit harder. Probably lose it, but anyway, we'll see. I only did 2 laps, so it's going to get better, isn't it? Trail braking really helps in this car. Just getting the front in. But like I say, I was going around in sort of gears higher than I normally would. And a lot slower than I normally would. It's not a great car to drive, I have to say. I don't feel it's very rewarding. I don't feel like it's not like a Formula Ford or an MX-5 or something. It's a bit
50.192.
I feel like you can sort of rag it and push it. I mean, maybe as I get better, I will.
To go.
Look, we're going around there in 4th. I'm guessing they're in 3rd. I don't know. It's got plenty of torque, so yeah, it feels okay. Changing up before the torque really kicks in and throws the back end out. Lovely gear change though, it's very quick. Got to try these things, haven't you? Off track there. I can keep up with them. We might be able to pick up some pieces if things go wrong. I was going into 2nd on these corners, but it just felt too low. Okay, there's a bit of a gap forming, isn't there? L1's got away, certainly.
40.48.
I think we might be able to close up on these two, though. Just rolling through in 4th. I can get on the power nice and early. Feels like, anyway. We need to sit on board with someone and see what they're doing. Okay, left it in 3rd that time. Look at the white car, I think he's having a bit of problems. Needs to be struggling to get it stopped. You have to brake nice and early. They're battling now. Gonna hold him up. If you're watching and you do drive these regularly, let me know what I'm doing wrong, so I'm sure I'm not getting the best out of this car. Starting to get the hang of it a little bit, I think.
.489.
Looks like we're closing in on the guys ahead. That white car does seem to go in quite deep, doesn't it? Yeah, sounds like they're in third, doesn't it? You can hear their revs. Catching up to this green car, aren't we? Bruno. We're catching. We're all in the 40s, apart from the leaders in the 39s, I think. This white car does seem to just go in very hot. And that's just his style. He looks like he's missing a lot of the corners. Slower from us that time. Andy in front. Ria Kang. I'm not sure I can pronounce that correctly, but sorry. Where did you name there? But Chinese, I'm guessing.
To go.
Yeah, we've definitely caught this green car, haven't we? But we're fighting for the podium almost, aren't we? And he's defending now as well. Have to be careful getting to full power, I think. Okay, there's going to be a move done here, I think. It's a pretty tough car, I think, for the rookie class, this is. Door bang it. Oh, he's lost out there, hasn't he? Bruno, blimey. Lost out big time.
Go right.
So did we. See if we can close back in. We come to a stop then, didn't we? Yeah, it's cost us a lot of time. Let's see if we can close in again.
43.98. You're in fifth.
Now the danger is I'm going to try and go too quick. But let's see. We do want to catch up. I'm 43 behind. Is Bruno going to have a go at going back for the podium, I wonder? We've got trouble from behind, isn't it? And you're trying to catch up.
39.954. 40.788.
Okay, those two are together now. Should slow them down a bit. And get back up there for picking up the pieces. They're side by side again. Okay. We have close in a little bit, but not much. Definitely going for it, aren't they? Definitely going slow as well.
White flag. One more lap to go.
Okay, one lap to go. Is anything going to happen?
40.121. Just set your fastest lap of the session.
Okay, we're going quicker anyway. And a bit quicker through there too. I mean, we could be on them here, couldn't we? I mean, we're right in the right position to pick up the pieces here.
There's an incident ahead.
Motherfucker, don't stop.
He hit him, didn't he? We've got this guy right behind me as well. He's going to want to make a move, isn't he? Well, I felt he was going to tap me then. You know, when you get that feeling someone's just going to tap you into a spin. But he didn't. It felt like he was going to, but anyway. Okay. Well, we did it. I'm not sure it's going to be my go-to car, but we had a bit of fun, didn't we?
Let's check a flag.
Yeah, it's
You did really well.
it's a car of restraint. For me, anyway. I don't feel I can really let loose in it. Anyway, let's have a look at the incidents and have a look at the results. Okay, here's the start then. So we got away okay, no wheel spin. We just nailed it off the start. And then I lost this place, didn't I? This guy on the outside. I was being a bit too tentative, I think. Anyway, let's look and see what happened. Behind then. Did somebody get into the back of him? That's what caused the problems behind. The looks of it. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear. Off they go. And then more shenanigans. Oh, well, that looked deliberate, didn't it? Goodness. And then this guy, what's he doing? He's got a lot of damage, hasn't he? So he's just gonna get in everyone's way. Silly. Okay. Now what have we got? Oh, this is bumper falling off. And then this is the green car and the blue car. Well, not sure. He just bumped into the back of him, didn't he? That was towards the end, wasn't it? Or was this towards the end? Oh, big bump there. And that's me behind. And that was it. Oh, interesting. Okay, well, let's have a look at the results. Okay, so that was second split out of 12, so popular race. Got a bit of safety rating and a bit of I rating, so I can't really complain. So 39.5, the leader was just gone. Wasn't he? I mean, he's 2.5 seconds ahead, so he still had somebody fairly close. 39.9, 40.9 for this guy, 40.6 for this guy, 40.1 for me. So it wasn't too far off the guy in second. So I think with a bit of practice, I could probably go a bit quicker, but it doesn't excite me, the car. It doesn't feel, I don't know, like I said, I didn't feel like I could really rag it and have fun with it. Maybe I'll try some more, but yeah, left me a bit cold, that one. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the race. The race was good, just the car not so good. But if you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.